Hey, what's up everybody, it's your boy Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to the channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Hey listen, I hope you all are feeling excellent. I know I am, because today I get to detail an American classic. Yeah guys, we're just getting preparation started, filling up buckets, lay down the detail guards. You know what I mean? We're gonna hit the wheels first, then do the outside like, you know the usual vibe. But question is, this car is garage kept. What do you guys think? Do you think garage kept cars are easier to detail than cars that are just left outside in the driveway? We'll find out. Stay tuned. Guys, check this out. It's an easy detail wheel brush. It's great for getting the barrels of your wheels. I gotta run to the truck real quick. I forgot my favorite mitt. You know what that is. It's a Max Shine wheel mitt. Let me go grab it. Finish up those wheels. Nice and clean. Just give it a little dip in the soapy water. And there you go. Remember, get behind the spokes, guys, behind these areas here. Don't leave these areas out. So I love these mitts so much. They come in so handy to hit pretty much all the areas of the wheel. Like behind there, and then you can get in between here. Hey, for your information, guys, most of the tools and products I use are all linked in my description. So if you head on over there, just hit the link. We'll shoot you on over to Amazon. You can get your stuff right there, guys. It will help me support the channel. Yeah man, so pretty much the process is, these wheels are dirty but they're not super dirty, so I'll just give them a rinse. Okay, you rinse them off. I got a PNS brake buster. This is diluted 5:1. Spray everywhere, in the barrels, hit the face. Just cover the wheel. You can hit the tires with it also. And just lather it up a bit. It's gonna foam it up. Just like that. And then we go ahead, agitate, and then rinse off. Yes, my people, it's about that time, it's foam time. towel dry, I like to go ahead and use my blower so we can blow out all the nooks and crannies the towel can't get to. So with that said, let's get to it. Give them a quick tip. Yo, my people. See, anytime you spray like water or APC in these areas and you need to wipe it up and you're using your air gun and you kind of want to dry it out, just kind of use your rag and just kind of cover at the same time. That way you're not blowing the chemical all over the car. You know what I mean? That's a way to keep everything just kind of contained. Clean cartridge setup. Yo guys, I know you've seen me use this vacuum quite a bit of times. It's awesome, rigid portable vac, 4 gallon. Again, the link is in the description if you guys want to check this out. But one thing to mention though about this vacuum, when it comes, it doesn't come with this type of hose or certain other attachments like this. It comes with you know, like a standard type. You have to buy the actual rigid, I believe it's called a car detailing hose accessory kit. You have to buy that separately. So once you get the vacuum, you have to buy the kit, and it comes with this hose, this attachment, along with a few other attachments, specifically for car detailing. You know, it makes it so much easier, more efficient, more enjoyable to use. And the link for that accessory kit is also in my description. So go ahead, guys, scroll on down into that description area, click on the link, and you don't know, it's right there for you to purchase. Yes, my people, it's time for the windows. The way I like to do it, I believe it's called the box method. So basically, you just start on the outskirts, the bottom and the sides and the top, and then you just fill in the rest. That way you don't miss any part of the glass. I also get the top piece here too, guys. You know, on regular cars, you know, usually you have the door frame along here too. In that case, you just wind the window down a little bit so this part is exposed, and then you clean that top piece off also. Pro tip number 553. Mad. Yes, everybody, that's a wrap on the Mustang. I want you guys to check out this classic American beauty. It was a pleasure detailing this ride. I want you guys to like the video, share the video. Please subscribe to the channel. If you don't know, it's your boy Clean Car Chris. Nothing but good vibes over here.